Deciding between sole or joint custody is often one of the most difficult decisions parents will make. Understanding the difference between the two options can help parents make informed decisions and advocate for their child's best interests during legal proceedings. Oklahoma law doesn't favor one parent over the other based on gender, but it does focus on what will best serve the child's well-being. Before breaking down sole and joint custody, it's important to understand the two basic types of custody under Oklahoma law. Legal custody refers to the right to make major decisions about the child's life, including education, healthcare, and religious upbringing. Physical custody refers to where the child lives and which parent provides day-to-day care. Both legal and physical custody can be awarded solely to one parent or jointly to both, depending on the circumstances. In a sole custody arrangement, one parent has exclusive legal and/or physical custody of the child. This means that parent has the right to make all major decisions without needing the other parent's input. The non-custodial parent may still have visitation rights, but they do not share decision-making authority. Courts in Oklahoma typically award sole custody when one parent is unfit due to substance abuse, neglect, or domestic violence. The parents have an extremely high level of conflict and cannot communicate effectively. One parent has been largely absent from the child's life. Sole custody provides consistency and stability for the child, but may limit the involvement of the other parent. Joint custody means both parents share legal custody and may also share physical custody, depending on the arrangement. In Oklahoma, courts often encourage joint legal custody when both parents can communicate and cooperate in raising the child, even if the child lives primarily with one parent. A joint custody plan, which the court must approve, lays out how the parents will make joint decisions. A residential schedule for the child. How disputes between the parents will be resolved. Provisions for holidays, vacations, and transportation. Joint custody requires parents to put aside personal conflict and focus on co-parenting effectively. The court may reject a joint custody request if it finds the arrangement isn't in the child's best interest. The primary standard in any custody case is the best interests of the child. Wagoner courts consider several factors, including the child's relationship with each parent, each parent's ability to provide a safe, stable, and nurturing environment, the willingness of each parent to encourage a relationship with the other parent, any history of abuse, neglect, or substance abuse, the child's preferences, especially if the child is 12 or older. Courts prefer arrangements that promote the child's emotional, physical, and psychological well-being. Whether seeking sole or joint custody, parents must demonstrate how their proposed plan serves the child's needs. Just because you make a custody decision now doesn't mean it has to be permanent. Oklahoma law allows either parent to seek a custody modification if there has been a significant change in circumstances that affects the child's best interests. This could include a parent relocating, a change in the child's needs or wishes, evidence of unfitness, neglect, or abuse. Changes in a parent's work or living situation. To request a modification, the parent must file a motion with the court and provide supporting evidence. The court will evaluate whether a new custody arrangement better serves the child.